Alright, once you have your metal etched and embossed, once you've used your Repousse techniques, then you're going to move on to adding color. So you'll have a set of Sharpies at your table to work with. There are two different sizes of Sharpies. There's the fine and the very fine. So I want you to pick out no more than 5 colors. So right now I have 6, so I'll have to narrow it down because I want you to repeat your colors throughout. So think about what would be the best use of color. On the back side is actually a great place to practice with your colors and think through where you want your colors to go. So I could think about, maybe I want to have this pink color here and the yellow bursts coming out here. You don't have to color the whole thing in, but you might test out in just a quadrant and see how you're liking. Some light blue in here, and maybe I'll make this light blue, and then just test out your different colors and see how you like them on your piece. When you are happy with your colors, you're going to start coloring in your area. So like I said, I was going to take and have some yellow throughout the background here. So that was one area I was certain that was the color. I wanted something light and bright and cheerful. Now you don't want to color in your entire piece. So one of the things that kind of helps when you're coloring, you might color around, use the point to get right up to the edge. And then when you're in the bigger areas, you can even use like the side of the marker to fill those in a little bit more quickly. I'm just filling in as I go. I want to try and not hit the side of my embossing. That's also why I started with a light color first. If I do end up with some of the light marker where I don't want it to be, I can always cover it up with a darker color. Take your time though. You want this to be really nice and neat. You want to stay inside your edges, your design. Your color should help your design stand out. You don't want to get the color on areas that you don't want it to show. So I'm trying to be really careful around these raised edges. Things you want to be careful of. Again, remember, use the point, get down in those grooves. Really watch that you're just keeping the color where you want the color to be. So like I said, I like to outline mine first, so I know where my edges are that I'm trying to stay within. And I'm trying to go on the side here of where I've done my embossing. I'm also trying to get down in those grooves where I've defined my edges. You might hold up your metal so you can see your edges a little easier.